Hello, I'm Vanessa Vella. I'm the Director of Life Coaching at Center for Applied Neuroscience. I think that one of the best parts about our course is that we have a really great balance between science and more esoteric, perhaps you might call it woo-woo aspects of life and living that we combine to teach people life coaching skills. One great example of this is our content on intuition. We think intuition is very cool. It's an awesome skill to use in life and in coaching sessions. And there's a certain very individual, personalized element to connecting with your intuition and learning how to use it. But so too is there some, not a lot, but some science around how intuition works in the brain, what's actually happening when we're feeling intuition. And we have managed to, include both those elements in the content of the lesson, as well as opportunities to practice connecting with your own intuition, tools and strategies that you can use with clients and with yourself. I think that the balancing out of the science and the less sciencey stuff is something we do really well. And you shouldn't just take my word for it. This is actually feedback we get really consistently from students. We tend to attract people who, like ourselves, have these maybe what could be initially perceived to be competing interests in the scientific methodology and facts and like what the data says, and also like this self-directed introspective kind of investigation into the experience of living one's life, which doesn't always mesh together, but can mesh beautifully well when those two things are not seen as being at odds with one another. And that's our philosophy, is that there's space for all of that in our understanding of how the world works. So if you are a person who tends to gravitate both towards science and sometimes away from it and towards other like more traditional or more esoteric forms of learning, check us out and see how you feel about our course. Maybe it's a good fit for you and maybe you will become part of our amazing community. We're very enthusiastic about answering questions in a really honest and transparent way and making sure that everyone in the course is in the course because it's a good fit for them and they're a good fit for us. I hope to see you in class.